The XR6 is the most comfortable workout you can get sitting down. It's Octane's top-of-the-line recumbent elliptical. The XR6 is built on the same frame as our commercial-grade model, but this one has even more. It features a step-through, compact design that allows you to quickly and easily get on and off. The contoured seat adjusts in 2 directions, up and down to fit your height, and a tilt adjustment for better comfort. Everyone in the house can have a custom fit on the X-Ride. But the biggest advantage of this X-Ride is the results. The Power Stroke pedal motion will burn 23% more calories and increase glute activation by more than 3 times compared to a recumbent bike. This motion is exclusive to Octane's X-Rides, allows for maximum extension and power drive, which means you get great results. The XR6 also comes with 2 different console options, the X and the XI. Both console options include great programming, smart light console feedback, exclusive workout boosters, and heart rate controlled programs. Add a workout booster to any program you like. The boosters add small intervals of increased resistance to nearly any of the programs you choose, a proven way to be more efficient with your workouts. All X-Rides have the leg press, the chest press, and the X-Mode boosters. This model has foot pegs to use during the chest press interval to isolate upper body and really increase the focus. The XI comes fully loaded with the top-of-the-line upgrades like wireless heart rate monitoring, a free heart rate strap, and a multicolored smart light to show intensity and help identify heart rate zones. The XI also offers SmartLink Bluetooth connectivity, which turns your wireless device into your console. With SmartLink, you now have access to workout tracking, workout plans, instructional videos, and all of your other apps and entertainment options. The console even holds your device in 3 easy positions. The SmartLink will create custom workout plans specific to each user. You pick your goal, duration, your intensity level, and more. With SmartLink, all you have to do is sweat. The XR6 with SmartLink is the most comfortable and best workout you will get sitting down. Get fueled with the XR6.